Berardi Immigration Law is a great resource for the latest in immigration news and trends. Please be sure to subscribe to our channel. It really helps out the channel. And click that notification bell so you never miss a video from Berardi Immigration Law.
Hi everyone, this is Tiffany McKenzie from Berardi Immigration Law, and I'm here with some big news actually from the Minister of Immigration. So this was all announced, I believe, today, but we've got a lot to digest here. So a couple of things. One, apparently Canada is launching a new digital talent strategy. So it's a digital nomad program, allowing more people to work and live in Canada. So this is interesting. There are quite a few countries that do this. Canada did not, and this is definitely something that's quite new. So the idea is that an individual who has a foreign employer would be able to work in Canada for up to 6 months. And while they're in Canada, should they receive a job offer while they're here, then they'll be able to continue to stay and work in Canada. So not a lot in terms of specifics, but that is really interesting because we haven't had something like that. So it's a little bit of, it's a new program. There's also a new dedicated pathway for permanent residents who specifically are in like STEM sectors, so science, technology, engineering, math. They want to relaunch the global skills strategy. Now that kind of took a bit of a backseat during COVID. Pre-COVID, you'd be able to get a work permit in 2 weeks. It'd be processed. It was kind of put on hiatus. So it sounds like they are trying to get back to that standard, which is super exciting. A few other things. There's some more there's some entrepreneur stuff that's in there, but the most interesting one, in our world, we see this a lot. It's just part of that overall, strategy, is that as of July 16th, Immigration Canada will create a stream that will allow 10,000 H-1B visa holders in the United States to come and work in Canada. This is huge. If you follow, obviously, my colleagues here with U.S. immigration, you will know that the cap was incredibly difficult this year, and that in some situations it takes decades to get a green card in the US. So this is exciting and new. This has not existed before. So, we will obviously keep you updated. This is coming for July 16th. We obviously don't know specifics. I'm just looking at, the news article in front of me that says, as of July 16th, we will have a stream that will allow 10,000 H-1B visa holders. So keep an eye here. We do get a lot of consults from people who unfortunately have been impacted by tech sector layoffs, who are looking for another plan. This might be it. I don't know. I don't know the specifics, but it's huge that this is being so targeted. Anyways, breaking news. These are some big categories that are coming into Canada. So again, keep an eye here. We will update as we gain more information. Thanks so much for following along, and keep an eye on this space. Have a great day, everyone.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to like our video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit that notification button so you never miss one of these important updates. Also, check out the Berardi blog that's on our website at berardiimmigrationlaw.com. The blog is updated 2 to 3 times a week, contains tons of up-to-date information on policies and trends. You won't want to miss it.